Good morning. Welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. We've got cloudy skies and some breezy conditions this morning, but those winds will increase as we go through the day today, as we have a very strong cold front that will be approaching the region that will really bring us some strong winds as we go into the evening hours tonight. You can see here on the current surface analysis, warm front is moving north of our region this morning, providing us with some very warm and humid conditions as temperatures in the upper 60s this morning, and feeling very humid out there. And that condition is going to continue as we go throughout the day today. Could see a few scattered showers here and there as we go throughout the morning and afternoon hours as well, but all in all looking for mainly dry conditions, nothing real significant until we get into the nighttime hours tonight. Currently out there, just a broken deck of clouds around 600 feet, overcast deck at 1,600 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Our winds out of the south at 14 knots, temperature at 67 degrees, and our relative humidity at 88%. Want to take a look here at our visible satellite imagery. You can see the amount of low cloudiness in here this morning throughout the mid-Atlantic region. So we are going to see those cloud conditions basically continue throughout the next several hours as we go into the afternoon today, and then tonight we'll start to see that front race across the state of Virginia pretty quickly as it approaches the Wallops region later tonight. We want to take a look here at our forecast map and what we can expect as we go throughout the day today. Again, just some widely scattered light rain showers out ahead of the main front as we work our way through the afternoon today. So anything that you do get as far as precipitation will be short-lived and likely not very heavy in nature throughout the remainder of the morning and afternoon hours. But tonight, again, we'll see that front really race across pretty quickly. Some severe weather possible out across the central portion of the state of Virginia. And as this front moves closer to our region, we're going to see some pretty strong southerly flow out ahead, and we will likely see that line cross the region here later on tonight, around midnight tonight through about 2 a.m. You can see the line weakens slightly as it gets closer to our region. We're not going to see a whole lot of instability in here later on tonight as we go into the overnight hours. So our lightning chances will be fairly small as we go into the overnight hours, probably about a 10% chance, but we will see that band of heavier showers lined up along this squall line later tonight, and see some gusty winds as it goes through too. So likely seeing those winds gusting to around 40 to 45 miles per hour as that line goes through. And again, that will be best chances of occurring around midnight tonight through about 2 a.m. That line quickly exits the eastern seaboard later tonight, so by about 4 a.m. we should see some clearing skies at that point, and our winds will be diminishing as well. So as we wake up Friday morning, likely see sunshine, some cooler conditions behind that front, and those winds diminishing as we go through the morning and especially into the afternoon on Friday, as high pressure will be building in from the west. For the remainder of the weekend here, looking ahead to Saturday, you can see really no threat for precipitation. We'll see a pretty good setup for weather as we go for our first attempt at our NG-12 mission early Saturday morning. Taking a look here at our 24 hours in a little bit more detail. Again, just a slight chance of a widely scattered shower as we go through the 4 p.m. hour. After about 8 p.m., not looking for much threat for, before 8 p.m., between the hours of about 4 p.m. and 8 p.m., not looking for much threat for precipitation, but we will see our winds really start to ramp up right ahead of that frontal boundary. Then the cold front will move through likely around midnight tonight. So chances really increase around midnight, going from a chance to a likely scenario as that front moves through. And again, those winds will be pretty strong as well, potentially gusting up to around 42 knots for our max winds right as that front goes through. So probably around midnight to 2 a.m. is when we can expect those strongest winds to occur. And then behind that front, seeing those winds really dying off fairly quickly into the morning and afternoon hours of Friday. Looking at the chances for precipitation and lightning, only about a 10% chance of lightning to occur, but our chances for precip as that front goes through will be well over 70%. as that line crosses the region later tonight. Looking ahead to Friday and Saturday's weather, partly cloudy and breezy conditions during the morning, diminishing winds during the afternoon. It will be cooler with a high of 57 on Friday. Friday night, partly cloudy to mostly clear and chilly with a low of 39. And your forecast for Saturday, mostly sunny and cool with a daytime high of 58 degrees. Well, that'll wrap it up for your daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.